Hello, my name is Leland Woods, Executive Director of the Brighter Days Association, Incorporated, and I am pleased to know that you are embarking on a journey to home ownership. In light of the most recent foreclosure crisis, which has left so many families discouraged about pursuing the dreams of home ownership, we hope to inspire you to take advantage of today's housing opportunities. Our new home ownership program, Buying Without Boundaries, was launched in March of 2011. And since then, we have had much success coaching, counseling, and directing our clients on the right path to home ownership. If you've had bad credit, or even if you have excellent credit, our program is for you. We look forward to servicing all of your housing needs. Sit back, watch our informational presentation, and let my staff and I show you the path to home ownership. All right, congratulations again on embarking on your journey to home ownership. This is an informational presentation of our Buying Without Boundaries program, and it's designed to help you understand exactly how our organization will help you attain that dream of home ownership. So let's get right into it. The Buying Without Boundary program was started by the Brighter Days Association in March 2011, and it was designed to help homeowners who have challenged credit or issues obtaining or becoming mortgage ready find a way or a path into home ownership. So let's talk about who we are. We are the Brighter Days Association, a HUD-approved 501c3 housing counseling agency. And what that means is that we have the Housing and Urban Development stamp of approval saying that this organization has qualified staff to do pre-purchase counseling, foreclosure prevention, rental counseling, and also debt reparation. We are all NeighborWorks certified, which is a HUD partner who offers trainings all over the United States for those who are interested in housing counseling. So we have our certificates. We're HUD approved and able to help you obtain that dream of home ownership. We're also Chase Bank and Wells Fargo REO donation partners, which means that we receive donated properties from these two banks as they participate with us in community revitalization. And we take those donated properties, we renovate them, and we pass them on to you, those savings on to you, the potential homeowner. We're also eHome America partners, which means that we offer an 8-hour online course for those of you who are mortgage ready and want to receive some type of down payment assistance. You take that 8-hour course and you can receive up to $5,000 to help with your financial part of your of obtaining your home. What can the Home Buyer Club do for you? What do we have to offer? What can the Brighter Days Association and this Buying Without Boundaries program do for you? Glad you asked. We offer one-on-one counseling with monthly appointments, which means that we're going to walk with you through the whole home buying process from start to finish. We're going to work with you. You can call us. We'll set up monthly appointments. We're there to offer you support. If it takes you 9 days or 9 years, we're going to be here to help you obtain that dream of home ownership. Personalized credit counseling. Our agency has certified counselors such as myself who will not only help you repair your credit, but also build or rebuild your credit. So we're not just an agency here that's going to try to remove things off your credit report by deleting those items, but we're going to help you build your report, build your credit report, and also offer some financial literacy courses that will help you maintain your credit once you get it to the place where it needs to be. Budget and savings counseling, that also falls in there with the financial literacy. A lot of us sometimes have bad habits, financial habits, and we just need a little bit of information. In today's climate in regards to becoming mortgage ready, lenders are really looking to see how you handle your money. So we're here to offer that support and guidance so that when you are ready or getting in position to purchase a home, that you have all your ducks lined up in a row and you're going to be ready to purchase that home. mortgage and lending assistance. We're going to walk with you through that whole process. We have various lenders, Wells Fargo, Chase, just to name a few, who are working with our agency, that they know that we are, when we send them a client, they know that they're prepared, they know that they've been educated, and they know that they are ready to purchase a home. Document inspection and closing preparations. It's very key that a mortgage-ready person knows exactly what it is they're getting ready to sign. A lot of times people are so excited about buying a home that they get ready to purchase a home. They sit down at the closing attorney's office, and you'll be surprised at the amount of people that don't even read the documents that they're signing. So we're going to educate you on exactly what you're signing, from the note to the adjustable rate mortgage, the terms, the percentage rate, all of those things that are very key elements that are going to go into your mortgage loan that you should know going into a 30-year commitment. Down payment assistance. We are also aware of all of the down payment assistant monies that are out there for you to take advantage of. In regards to Georgia Dream, we work closely with Georgia Dream. We can refer you to specific counties that have monies to purchase homes in their counties. So we're also going to refer you to those avenues so that you can also help with the financial part of buying a home. And we also have a debtor's grant. This grant is a grant that you apply for. If you've been a good client of ours and you're looking at purchasing a home and you've got some things on your credit that you just can't get past, well, we're going to help you out up to $3,000. Get there and get over that hump so that you can get in position also to get that home. So what our options are available to you? Conventional loans, which is mortgage-ready loans where you can go and you can apply with the bank, usually a 30-year mortgage, and that right now at low interest rates. But we also have lease purchase options available for those that have the more challenged credit, who it may take a long time to pay off some of those debts, where we'll step in and we'll help locate properties or purchase properties so that you, the homeowner, can also have an opportunity, those with challenged credit, to purchase a home. And we'll finance those deals ourselves. We are the bank in this instance. So we're trying to make it available for everyone to obtain home ownership. Where are the properties located? All over Georgia, all over Ohio. But most of the donated properties come from high foreclosure areas such as DeKalb, Fulton, and Clayton counties. How to become a Home Buyers Club member. Here it is. For $99, everything we just talked about, one-on-one counseling, which includes debt reparation. We're going to show you how to get the credit scores that are necessary to achieve, not just get the credit scores, but how to maintain those credit scores. The one-on-one counseling, if it takes 30 days or if it takes a year for you to become mortgage ready, we're going to be here for you, offer that support system. We're going to coach you. We're going to show you the things that are necessary to not only get a mortgage from a bank, but maintain that mortgage from a bank, and offer that. And we're also going to help you with the down payment assistance part. So we're going to point you in the right direction just for $99. We're not going to charge you $250 to repair your credit. Some instances I've heard people pay $600, up to $600 to get their credit repaired. We're going to show you and work with you and show you how to take care of your credit using the Fair Debt and Credit Reporting Act. So these are the benefits of coming into our program for just a one-time fee, $99. You can pay that by cash, check, or online payment. We understand that times are hard. And so sometimes some people, it may be difficult to come up with $99. So we do have the option where you can pay weekly, whether it's $25 a week. You can pay bi-weekly, and you can also pay monthly and pay a $25 a month fee to help you out, help you get started. As soon as you make one payment, we're off and running. We're going to get the ball rolling and get you qualified to get in a home. What if you can't afford the $99? There are some people that just won't qualify for the program. We really would like to try to help everyone, but sometimes you have income issues that where some people just won't be able to afford. For instance, some people with disabilities, and they get a disability check, and that check is only worth, maybe $600 or $700 a month. So it will be very difficult for them to come up with a down payment or make a mortgage payment. So what we're going to do is we try to figure out a way that we can offer home ownership to those folks who have not been getting a pretty much of a fair shake. So what we came up with is what we call our Pay at Home campaign. And what we're going to do is we're going to offer 4 homes. We're going to give away 4 homes a year to those folks who could not qualify for our program. And so we're going to renovate those properties. They're going to be donated properties from the banks. We're going to renovate those properties and then give those properties away in a pool of folks that have come into the program who can't afford to purchase a home through the bank. Here we have an example of a couple of properties. This is one that was in Lithonia, Georgia, that was donated by Wells Fargo Bank. This property here needed a roof, it needed a garage door, it needed a lot of work on it. Of course, it was donated, right? But what we do is when we get a donated property, we also, or any home that we renovate, we make sure that not only is it a good-looking home on the inside, but it's a functioning house. We were able to go in and put a new 30-year roof on this home, a new garage door. You can see that we redid the landscaping here. We also went in and secured the deck. We put all new planks on the deck. And there's also a side shot there of the new AC system. And then here it is, the cosmetic stuff. We always make sure that we also want the home to look nice for the new homeowner. So we go in, we put in stainless steel appliances, hardwood floors, nice fixtures and lighting to make that home not only sound, but also enjoyable and pleasing to the eye. Here's another property in Lithonia, Georgia that was donated to us by Wells Fargo Bank. We were able to go on this property, have our crews go in, renovate this property, and we were able to sell this property to a lucky homeowner. Here's also the finished product there. So again, I'd like to say, if you're sitting there and you're wondering whether or not this program is for you, just think about everything that we're willing to do with you. We're willing to offer you the support. We're willing to show you the way and point you in the right direction. So don't let the $99 scare you. Here's the time is now for home ownership. Housing prices are at their lowest and interest rates are at their lowest. So I say to you, if you're ready and you're interested in home ownership, go to our website, fill out your application, pay your fee, and give us a call.